We moved in on August 1st, so 2 months, 3 months, 2 months. You know, I watched it being built and I thought that apartment's going to have beautiful views. So I kind of kept watching it and, you know, until I heard these were leasing and I thought, okay, you know, I want some views and I needed 3 bedrooms. So that was a big plus, and the wraparound deck with a view of the mountains, that sold me. It was great, obviously, moving when it wasn't quite ready. They did a great job of putting us up at the hotel and my dog as well. So that was really nice. So that took out a lot of stress because, you know, we kind of had our lease was finishing in another place and we thought, you know, we really have to move now. And so they took care of us. They were great and kept in touch with us. And I mean, everything's just been so smooth. You know, I love the pool. That, you know, of course. Norman's workout room.
Yeah, no, it's a good workout room. There's a lot of new equipment in it. That, a lot of apartment complexes that don't have nearly the variety or the quality of equipment.
Well, you know, it's ideal for, you know, for little kids. I mean, you can get out and walk. Everything's within walking distance. Great bus service as well, just, you know, behind Lowe's. And so, I mean, there's just everything for you here. You know, you can go on the trails if you want. You know, everything's walkable, which is big. And, you know, with the little kids, they can get out and walk.
It's also the quality of the apartment's really nice as well.
Yeah, the apartment, yeah.
So we've been renting before, and it was a private renter, but we were getting a bit fed up with stuff breaking. So it was nice to get into a new apartment.
Yeah.